see it's Ghost Block on deck camp, you know what I'm saying? Mr. 414 on deck, east side, you know what I'm saying? Your boy Looney, you know what I'm saying? What it do, you know what I'm saying? This is going down. Hey, Publicity Stunt 1 and 2, nigga. Look out for me, 212, nigga. We dropping. Looney G, Rico, Gustav, Mr. 414. Ghost Block been here. We ain't never went nowhere. Niggas think we new niggas. We finna show y'all. Nigga, 1017, Brick Squad, Milltown, y'all ain't seen shit, nigga. This is Ghost Block. We finna show y'all what to do, nigga. East side, nigga. We hustle for real. Hey, hold on. Let me take this out. Hey. Hey, what it do, PM? You know what I'm saying? This that shit right here, nigga. Super chop, nigga. Super chop, nigga. Niggas get high as a bitch. We do what we gotta do, nigga. Super chop, nigga. Throw your hands up. All the ladies in the club get to dance on.
I'm super chop, I just wanna see that ass bounce. I'm super chop, I just wanna see that ass bounce. It's Young PM, baby, just let me see you pop it. I'm on impossible, but it's so possible for me to take a home loan dicker for an hour.
This is the east side right now. We on the corner of Richards. You know what I'm saying?
Sound crazy.
We live what we say. We say what we do. We do what we live, and we do what we say, nigga.
All I gotta do is spin my G-Lo Mac and lay
this
it down.
This is the east side,
I ain't
nigga.
trying to disrespect you, but that's just young me. Let me see you pop it for me while I kill a bee. If you don't know me by now, the name's PM. Pentagram boy, you catch me working in the AM. I spit a prophecy and make that shit my reality. I'm crucial, let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Cause actions speak louder than words. Can you feel the music? So let me see you move your hips.
We on Richards, nigga, right off center, nigga. This is the east side, nigga. Martin Luther King, 3rd Street, 3 block. Nigga, you already know what to do. Shout out to Hard Body. See you moving your things over there. Milwaukee's best. You know what I'm saying? This is all east side. This is where all the east side niggas be, man. Anywhere between here through anywhere, nigga. This where we at. Super chop, nigga.
Bounce, I wanna see that ass bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. I wanna see that ass bounce.
I'm super chop, eyes low, blowing on cloud 9. Walking through the club in slow-mo like we about to lose our mind. In the hood where we sit, and you pour your own sin. Doing the same thing in the club, that's how the fun begin. And the words of Ludacris, show another part of your life. Let's get close, bottoms up, I bet you feeling right. You get it from your mama, well I get it from my daddy. Let's agree to disagree, to hit the telly just to see what happens. I'm just trying to see you back it up and bounce it up and down. Waving like an ocean, dog, she blows, let's take it down. You know how it is when DJ Enzo decking back in town. Haters get to cut they women cause they know it's going down. It's like a habit when I'm around you, girl, I feel like a fiend. Can't wait.